All right, folks. Today we're going to shoot the Glock 19 BB gun. This is the non-blowback version. It is a officially licensed product of Glock. It's full metal and very well made, very heavy. And we're also going to shoot this MCP, which is plastic. This is my wife's little BB gun, CO2 powered as well. So then, of course, my wife's got the Stoger. This is a 177 caliber, shoots at like 1200 feet per second. And I believe you're ready to go, right? You're loaded? Is this one loaded?
No.
It's not? Okay.
Show it.
All right. I'm going to cock it and load it for her. There we go. We're using a pointed pellet today. All right, here you go. My wife's a pretty good shot. She's gonna aim for the target on the right. Hopefully you can see that. The red target on the right. Look at that. Right on. So, I better not piss her off, folks? Okay. Alright. Now I'm going to shoot the Glock 19. And, yeah, we'll see if I can hit the red target on the right. Hopefully you guys can see this. Move some things here. Here we go. Safety's on. Missed. There we go. I got it. A little plink there. How about your MCP? No, you shoot it. All right.
If it's in.
Here's the wife with her handgun. See if she can get that target. Which one are you going for?
The left one.
The left hand red target. Right on. I think she might be a better shot than me now. Okay, now try your little pink daisy. This is her first gun and it's cute. She's pretty accurate with her BB guns, so. All right, which one are you going for now?
The left one.
The left-hand target again.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. There we go. She hit it. Awesome. Good job. So, yeah, there you have it. Some nice little fun toys for plinking. Here we go. I can't hit nothing. Alright, try again. Left hand target. There we go, I got it. I got it again. Right hand. I got it. My turn to shoot the Stoger. See a major power difference here. Left hand target. There she goes. There you have it. Lots of fun shooting today with our little BB guns. Thanks for watching.